Here is a special message from the National Weather Service for the following counties in North Carolina: Anson, Davidson, Montgomery, Moore, Randolph, Richmond, and Stanley. Flood watch in effect from Monday morning through Tuesday morning. What flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible? Where? All of central North Carolina. When? From Monday morning through Tuesday morning. Impacts: excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Additional details: widespread moderate to heavy rain will spread across central North Carolina and result in 2 to 4 inches of rain with locally higher amounts of 6 inches possible. There is still considerable uncertainty on where the heaviest rain will fall. Highest confidence exists for the Sand Hills, coastal plain, and portions of the northeast Piedmont. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. Repeating, a flood watch has been issued from 8 a.m. Monday until 8 a.m. Tuesday for the following counties in North Carolina: Anson, Davidson, Montgomery, Moore, Randolph, Richmond, and Stanley. This is NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards station WWF60, operating on frequency.
And from Raleigh, we got this newly issued flood watch, which, by the way, is for all of Raleigh's county area, from the western Piedmont to northeast Piedmont to the coastal plain to Sand Hills, just all of Raleigh's counties, within most of their chunk of central and east central North Carolina. And well, that flood watch across all of Raleigh's county area got through WWF60 here for this one.
Flood watch in effect from 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening through Tuesday morning. What flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible? Where? Portions of Piedmont, North Carolina, including the following areas: Cabarrus, Gaston, Mecklenburg, and Union, North Carolina, and upstate South Carolina, including the following area: York. When? From 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening through Tuesday morning. Impacts: excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Additional details: a weak area of low pressure will push inland across South Carolina later today. As the system moves farther inland across the Carolinas, rainfall totals will gradually climb. The Charlotte metro area will likely see the highest rainfall amounts this evening into Tuesday morning, with totals ranging from 2 to 4 inches. Locally, higher amounts of 4.5 to 5 inches are possible. These rainfall totals may lead to a few instances of flash flooding across the watch area. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Flood watch for flash flooding means there is a potential for rapid onset flooding based on current forecasts. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation and may impact areas that do not typically flood. Please monitor the latest forecasts and be prepared to take action quickly should flash flood warnings be issued. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast.
And that was a 1050 Hertz tone flood watch from GSP through KJY85 here. And this watch here is being issued a day after Raleigh had issued their own flood watch, which, if you can't already tell by the other video clip to this video, I got through WWF60 that day. And so here's GSP's take for a flood watch product, as there's a tropical cyclone appearing off the North and South Carolina coast, heading west inland into the Carolinas. And that includes, well, where I'm at now, in Piedmont of central North Carolina, northeast of Charlotte currently, at least where I'm at now. And as of now, the photo watches to GSP and Raleigh are currently what there is for me as of now in terms of awards so far. Well, I suppose as we head more into this video with the awards, well, assuming there is any, it'll be something else than just these two photo watches alone.
Possible. http://w. Service in Raleigh has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Chatham County, northwestern Cumberland County, Harnett County, Hoke County, Johnston County, Lee County, Moore County, northeastern Scotland County, southwestern Wake County, southwestern Wayne County until 9 p.m. It's 4:04 p.m. Doppler radar indicated moderate to heavy rain bands across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Raleigh, Cary, Goldsboro, Sanford, Southern Pines, Smithfield, Rayford, Pittsboro, Lillington, Carthage, Garner, Fuquay-Varina, Clayton, Pinehurst, Gunn, Aberdeen, Angier, Benson, Goldston, and Antioch. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Chatham, Cumberland, Harnett, Hoke, Johnston, Lee, Moore, Scotland, Wake, and Wayne. This is NOAA Weather Radio.
Well, that's the first warning out of this video. Or should I say the first warning alert out of today, the day I'm recording this, for this flash flood warning, having 10 counties in it. In fact, that's as much as WWF60's 10 counties. And, well, in case if you don't know, WWF60 was the station that I got for this flash flood warning, because of Moore County. So, yeah, first warning for today. Now, if there's any additional warnings, assuming there is any that I can get, well, all I can do is just wait and 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 see for those if they come in.